Hi, it's Dorothy Guining with Scrapbooking Quebec. Today I'm going to share with you my May 2019 How to Kill a Kit with Style kit. And what that is, it's a kit I put together from old material in my stash that hasn't been inspiring me. Now what I'll do is throughout the month I'll create projects with this, and at the end of the month I'll share them with you on YouTube. Now this is my jumping off point, which is basically a large baggie in a box of paper. Now in that large baggie are two past scrapbooking kits, one from the Hip Kit and one from Scrapbook and Cards Today. Now what I want to do is breathe new life into that old material. Now what you're seeing on the screen now are 6 different mini kits that I created from this bag of mixed up used material. And what I did was I added material from my current stash and tried to pimp up what was there because it wasn't inspiring me. So hang on and I'll walk you through my process. The first mini kit, I started with these 3 pieces of paper. Well, they're not full pieces of paper, and it's from Sweater Weather from American Crafts. And also in the bag were 2 different colors of cardstock. I added this black and white paper from Stampin' Up, as well as black, white, and vellum cardstock. From the decorations that were in the bag, I thought the white letters would work out. I found these journaling boxes from Stampin' Up in my stash, and these are stickers that were in the bag from Pink Fresh Studio. This is some ephemera pieces from Simple Stories, the Freezin' Season, the blues and greens and blacks work, and now I'm throwing in a doily from my stash, as well as these little asterisks, they're little bling from Felicity Jane, I think, and the other thing was paper clips from Coco Daisy. Kit number 2 started with this piece of paper from Doodlebug Design, and I paired it with this paper from the Fa La La collection of crepe paper. Also in the bag was this red cardstock, and I added white and green. Now for the decorations for this kit, I thought the gold letters that were in the bag would work, and I add some journaling boxes as well as doilies. You're going to notice I add journaling boxes and doilies to all of these kits, and that comes from my stash. These are chipboard stickers from Pink Fresh Studio, and some of them have gold accents, so I thought that might work. And these as well, that was the Freezin' Season ephemera, and there were a lot of pink pieces in there, and I thought that would work. Now this is kit number 3, and that's from the Fa La La collection crepe paper as well. And I went into my stash to find some paper to coordinate with that. And that black and white buffalo check comes from Felicity Jane. And even the flip side works. It's white with these little pluses on it. Now from my stash, I picked some black, mint, and white cardstock. And now I'm going to dig into the decorations. I picked the gold, but the white would work too. And those are the chipboard stickers again. The pieces with gold would work. And this is an ephemera pack, an exclusive from the Hip Kit Club. And there's a lot of kind of pinkish white and even a little bit, it's almost blue but almost minty, that would work with that kit. I'm looking at the enamel dots, and that kit there has mint, pink, and gray, so that might work as well. And when I was looking for that black and white check paper, I also came across a few other things in that kit that would work. That traveler's notebook insert, those words, which are kind of wintry, Christmassy, and then I'm removing that journaling box because I found some journaling boxes that coordinated with that paper. So now I'm moving on to mini kit number 4, and I start with this Pink Fresh Studio December Days paper, and I pair it, this is all in the bag, with that Fa La La paper that's from the Fa La La collection, the red and white snowflakes. And I also added every little bit and piece that was left in the bag to this kit. I'm pairing it with red, white, and black cardstock. And for the decorations, honestly, I put the gold there, but the white letters would work as well, adding once again a journaling box and some doilies. And as for the decorations, the chipboard, the puffy stickers that you'll see in a minute, all of that comes from the Pink Fresh Studio December Days collection, even those enamel dots. So I'm not worried there. I have lots to match that mini kit. And now I'm basically down to my last piece of paper, and that is from Simple Stories Freeze and Season. And though I like the flip side, I opt for this mint green side. So I went into my stash and I found this 6x6 paper pad from Stampin' Up! And I thought the paper with the triangles worked with the mint green paper, and then I just added some red pieces of paper as well as red, white, and mint cardstock. I'm not worried about the decorations here. I will find something. Here I am pairing it with those gold letters, journaling box, doilies, possibly some of those chipboard stickers if the gold pieces haven't been used yet, but I'm really going to worry about that later. Now, really, this was all I had left in the kit. It was this cut apart sheet, and I figure I'm going to make cards with that. So that craft paper was also in the kit, and I totally love it with those gold stars, but nowhere is it written, is it safe for photos? So I'm not going to put it in my scrapbook, but I will make cards with it. That checkered type pink paper there was also a scrap in the bag, and I added the green, as well as these card bases and envelopes. Those are all from Stampin' Up! I'm also throwing in a white piece of paper that will make 2 cards as well. So that is my kit for the month of May 2019. Very Christmas themed here. And hopefully I'll get my photo scrapbook from last Christmas. Now, don't forget to check out all the other YouTube participants who are participating in this How to Kill a Kit with Style series. It's fantastic. It's full of inspiration, and hopefully it gets you to use your scrappy stash as well. I'll put links to all their channels below, so be sure to check them out. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to tune in at the end of the month to see what I made with this. Have a great day.